Jai Srimanarayana. 121st Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are eternally enjoyable by all of your devotees. O Srimanarayana, I realize that your devotees never will have any separation from you. They will enjoy all your divine attributes, all your divine qualities, all your divine forms eternally. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha. Enjoying Srimanarayana's divine form and all his divine qualities, and while visualizing Srimanarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasharatha Maharaju fell on the floor. He is getting fainted. He is going unconscious. Again he is slowly getting up, thinking that the time is running out. Muhurtam, the good Muhurtam is almost there. He is, because he is the king of the kingdom, all the people are approaching his palace to awaken Dasharatha Maharaju. There are so many sounds coming out from conches. There are so many divine sounds coming from all the instruments to help Dasharatha Maharaju get up, because it is getting the day is coming out and the sun is rising. Slowly Dasharatha Maharaju getting up and saying, addressing to Kaika, saying that, O sinful lady Kaika, I received your hand taking witness of Agni Devata. Whatever the hand I received, now I am giving up. I am leaving the same hand. From now onwards, you are no more my wife. From now onwards, your son is no more my son. O Kaika, look at all the sounds. Do you listen? All the sounds are coming. All the gurus, all the acharyas, now with all kind of ingredients, slowly approaching my palace to ask me to join them to do Rama Pattabhishekam. O Kaika, the moment I see that Rama Pattabhishekam is completely stopped, immediately my breath also is going to stop. I am no more going to be on this earth. O Kaika, whatever the waters, whatever the ingredients brought for Rama Pattabhishekam, now Rama is going to use the same water and all the ingredients to do my final rites. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju is crying a lot. Then Kaikeyi is asking that, "Oh Raja, do not speak all those poisonous words. Come on, get up. Send Rama to the forest and give this kingdom to my son Bharata." Then Dasharatha Maharaju, feeling like he is crushed under the grief, and he is saying that, "Rama, Rama, Rama, I am feeling like seeing you before I die. Ramam drashtum ichchami dharmikam. Rama, I am feeling like seeing your face at least once now to get some kind of console. Rama, I see no one is there on this earth for me. Rama, I am craving to see you." Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju is remembering Rama and crying a lot. In Ayodhya kingdom, now Vasishtha, the great acharyas, along with so many other acharyas, carrying all the divine ingredients, slowly approaching Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. They are all coming in the main streets of kingdom. People are hoisting all the flags, and all over people are sprinkling the flowers. Everywhere dense crowd is there in all the streets. The entire Ayodhya is filled up with divine perfumes. The entire Ayodhya is filled up with all kind of dhupam, the divine smokes. Entire kingdom is glorified like anything and decorated with all kind of extensive things. Even Devendra also feeling that my Amaravati is nothing compared to Ayodhya. To that extent, Ayodhya is decorated to get Rama Pattabhishekam done. Ayodhya is decorated to see Rama is ruling that Ayodhya. Now what is going to happen? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us do Ramanama Sankirtana. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 13th sloka. Rudro Bahusiraha Babhruhu Visvayonihi Suchisrevaha Amrutaha Sasvatasthanuhu Vararoho Mahatapaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha. Om Sasvatasthanave Namaha.